Hi, it's Dave from SuperPro, back in my office today to show you some great new products we've got for the Nissan Patrol. These are trailing arms. So we've got your upper and lower trailing arms. The lower trailing arm here is a little bit longer than standard to help correct the pinion angle on lifted applications, and then we've got the upper trailing arm, which is fully adjustable. So as you can see, it's got two mechanisms here for adjustment. It's got the unique SuperPro locking mechanisms. We know that these can come loose in different varieties, so we put these on here to make sure they stay nice and stable. We've been testing them for about a year now. We've been taking them off road, showing them some pretty rough conditions, and we've had no issues, no failures at all. So a great addition to your Patrol. Up to 3 inches lift. Just fix that pinion angle, correct obviously the uni joint angle, take the wear out of it. It'll extend the life of your uni joint and take some of that NVH noise vibration out of there. And of course, they come with the SuperPro bushes that have a lifetime warranty. These ones are a brand new design. We're really excited about these. It's a spherical bearing polyurethane bush, which is great. Very technical bush. This is part of the bush here. As you can see, it's got the rounded bearings part there that goes inside this poly bush. Then it has two caps that hold it into the arm, so it's really strong, really rugged. It's going to be a great addition to anyone who's got a raised Patrol. This is the lower arm for the Patrol. It's a little bit longer than standard to help fix up that pinion angle. Comes with the spherical bearing bushes in there. Obviously they've got a lifetime warranty, and it's a nice big strong heavy arm. We've got put a lot of time and energy into making sure that we get those welds right to give you that extra strength that you need when you're going off-road. Obviously being a SuperPro product, it does have a lifetime warranty. We've tested these things out for over a year. You'll have no issues with these at all. So if you've lifted your Patrol, as I said, up to 3 inches, go to the SuperPro website, go to the dealer locator, plug in your postcode, find the nearest SuperPro distributor near you today, get yourself some new trailing arms for your Patrol.